Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the locker UI. Click the yellow locker icon in the school hallway immediately. Once open, make sure you have the items in your character inventory that you want to store, because the locker only accepts items present on your avatar. Also confirm at least one free slot. If full, you must remove something first. This step prevents accidental loss and lets you move quickly into the storage process without backtracking. Next, select items and place them into slots. Drag from your inventory panel directly into an empty locker square, because dragging is immediate and reduces misclicks. Once done, use the category filters to narrow items, clothing, accessories, emotes, so you aren't scrolling forever. If you have many items, hold Shift or use multi-select to move several at once. This speeds the process and keeps your locker organized, which matters when you need outfits quickly in future gameplay. Finish by saving your layout. Click Save or Confirm so the game records the new locker contents before you exit, because unsaved changes can be lost on logout. When you need an item, reopen the locker, then drag it back to inventory or equip straight from the slot. If an item refuses to store, check whether it's account locked, trade locked, or event restricted. If so, you cannot place it, and clearing that restriction or contacting support is the next move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.